welcome back. This is Leena. So there are a lot of ways how you can apply your foundation. Maybe you could use a brush or a sponge, but today I will show you how to use a silicone sponge. And this is quite in trend. I've seen a lot of people use this, so I thought how about try this and let's see if it works for me. So let's start. So guys, firstly I'm going to prep my face by priming it, and I'll be using my Lakme Absolute Face Primer. So I'm just going to apply it now. So once you've done that, now we'll apply the foundation. So the sponge, the silicone sponge that I'll be using is by Pellao, and this is the Silisponge, and they say this is durable sponge, features dual tips, so it's very precise for concealing and for using your foundation. It blends really well. So let's see if it works. So this is like a really nice cute heart shaped silicone sponge, and it's very soft, feels very smooth. So let's try using this. I'll take some foundation. This is my Maybelline Foundation and my shade is 128. Take some foundation here. I'll just remove some here and let's try this. I think this is the right way to apply it. So this is good, it's in a heart shape. Maybe we could use the corners for this area, near your eye. The only good thing about the sponge is I think the product is not going inside, so you need very less product. There's no wastage anywhere, but I think it's taking a lot of time for me to apply it. So guys, I've applied my foundation now, but I'll really tell you that it takes a lot of time compared to your brush. I think my Huda Beauty foundation brush is really good, and you can just apply it in like 50 seconds, maybe it's that fast, but this takes a lot of time. The good thing about it is your product won't go waste because there's nothing to absorb inside. So it's very easy to wash this as well. You can just keep it under your tap and just rinse it, it'll go. But for me personally, it took a lot of time for me to blend in the foundation and to apply it. So I wouldn't suggest a silicone sponge. And if you guys have any tips to let me know how you can apply a foundation with this silicone sponge, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.